I feel I need to explain myself here, but of course we need to start from the very beginning. Today I am finally going on a spicy trail ride with my good friend Shannon. She is no stranger to my YouTube channel. She has been on a lot of rides with me. She's my best gal pal to go ride with. Anyways, today is the day. It's been 8 weeks since my last trail ride and we are gonna hit a very spicy ride. Now, the reason why we're hitting this spicy ride is because my goal for the end of this dirt bike season is to hit a rock wall steep hill feature. And my goal is just to get over top of it. It doesn't need to be pretty, I just need to get over it. So I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling ready. I put in the drills, I put in the work, so we're gonna get after it. So let's get ready to start our adventure. Made it on this hill. It took me out a year ago where I broke my phone when I smashed it into that tree. I spent 2 hours on this one section, so I'm pretty stoked on that. But goddamn, this hill.
Holy shit, your oil cap came off. Woo! You okay? Holy that was really close.
Okay.
Woo.
I think I'm good.
Woo, yeah?
Oh, I think I did something to my finger.
Woo. That was a bit scary.
Oh, shit. Ah!
You okay?
Yeah, so sorry.
That's okay. Oh, your oil cap came off. Woo! That was like too much juice. And then it like whiskeyed almost. Seen that you rode with it? Like it was there? Uh-oh. You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to like stick it inside your like water pack or something? Like kind of ice it a bit? Here. You just put it in here. Just like where the water is. That helps. Let's take a look in a minute. And if not, I just hair elastic a piece of paper over it.
What all happened
Yeah,
here?
let's see how we feel because we can
thank you.
always go back down too. Just go out this way because we're not that far.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling better now.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll
Do you want
some
something
sugar.
to eat? Yeah.
Oh, well,
Granola
thanks
bar?
for that, and I'm so sorry I put you in that position.
That's okay. I was weird. I just had this feeling and I was like, I feel like I should be on that side the whole time. But I was like, no, it's fine. But I just felt like I'd be able to like catch the back end of the bike. I just didn't want you to slide down.
I really didn't think I'd go.
But that kind of makes sense because if you're hitting it this way, it would come back this way. So
I really tried to give it beans.
I really did. Yeah. Like to go for it? Yeah, you did.
Like
You did that.
I know. Okay, well the bike pretty much did a
Oh,
full.
I didn't get any of it.
Oh, that's okay. You wouldn't have seen it anyways, I don't think, because I didn't make it that high. You guys, this is not easy. The most humbling trail in Pemberton. Honest to goodness. It shows all your flaws, and this is just, you just gotta power through it and try to figure out ways on how to get through it. Okay, I think there's another log thing up here. I think it's a hill, yeah.
I just thought I was like, I'm over, like I just gotta like pin it
Yeah.
over.
Got roosted by Shannon. That was awesome. All right, Shannon and I are gonna turn around. There's some trees behind Shannon that we just can't get through, so crazy ride. Thanks so much for watching. We're gonna head back the way we came in, and yeah, it's been a fun ride. Keep killing it safely, and I'll talk to you guys next time.